this is me, Paloma, and welcome to High On Trends, the show that focuses on fashion, style, and gracious living. Today on the show, we've got shopping at Evolve and the Ritu Kumar 2011 collection. We're going to start things off as always with our shopping segment, and today we've got a couple of big names as we head off to Evolve. It's time for a little bit of shopping, and today we're here at Chennai's latest design destination for urban youngsters, Evolve. Now this is a brand new concept. Evolve offers cutting-edge Indian fashion by the country's leading designers, yet at an affordable price. Now we really like the sound of that. Let's head inside and take a quick look around. Well, right now I'm here with Anu, the Vice President of Evolve. Hi Anu, how's it going?
Good, very well. Thank you.
Well, congratulations on the launch of this store. I know that it's really popular with all of the young people. So let me just quickly ask you a couple of questions. Starting off with, tell us a little bit about the kind of customers that the store sees on a regular basis.
As you can see, Evolve is a very young, spunky store, and it has a very, very cool concept. The entire store has been, done up with a lot of graphics, a lot of decals, a lot of interesting young details for a customer who is perhaps a 15 plus age category. And what we are seeing is, of course, the kind of people that are coming here is a lot of youngsters who, of course, express a lot of interest in the kind of things that we have here. Especially considering we've got merchandise from Playclan here, which is one of their first big stores in Chennai. It just makes it very interesting for people to walk in and find a lot of different kind of products that they've never seen before.
Right. So which would you see as sort of the popular or the hot selling items that have been doing really well this season?
See, there is a brand of a young women's brand called Not So Serious.
Okay.
It has a lot of Indo-Western silhouettes, which has been doing very, very well for us.
And what else can we look forward to? Anything interesting coming up that you can tell us about here at Evolve?
See, what we're actually doing here is, for that matter, apart from just buying clothes or accessories for the store, we have a very interesting products that belongs to the travel guide category. We have something called the Lux Travel Guides, which I think we're one of the first people who have this product in this country. And of course, Fiona Caulfield's Love Travel Guides. That again is, quite popular. You will see Evolve grow into this a fabulous brand that we hope to sell a lot more of.
Right, sounds good, and we still have a little bit of looking around to do. Thank you so much, Anu. You guys stay tuned. Now, collaboration is the essence of Evolve, and one of their key collaborators are Playclan. Now, this is really cool because they've created a customized collection of accessories inspired by the Pallava and Chola temples that you can see dotting the skyline of Tamil Nadu. Now, one of the things I really loved is this watch. It's sporty, it's got touches of rural Tamil Nadu. If you look close, you can actually see a lorry, and it sort of has this Lego feel to it. It's pop art, it's kitsch, it's a whole bunch of different things, and I think today's youngsters would really love something like this. Plus, it comes in this adorable little box, so it makes for an excellent gift. Speaking of gifts, I think you have a whole bunch of options to choose from. For example, check this out. I think this would make a cool anniversary present or even a wedding gift these days. For a fun young couple, I could see newlyweds eating off of these plates. And then you've got cute little notebooks, keychains, t-shirts, a lot of different options to choose from. So I'm totally going crazy. I think this is my favorite section so far, and I'm going to continue to take a look around. Well, I'm standing here at one of the popular sections of Evolve, which is Playclan, and it's doing really, really well, especially with the young people. So I'm going to pick out a couple of my favorites. One of the things that I really liked was this one, which is sort of a racerback type of t-shirt. I love the fabric, and I really like the print, which is one of the things that sticks out for me about this specific brand. You have to take a closer look. It's really fun. You've got these different Indian heads, sort of. And you have these in a couple of different options depending on what color you like. The fabric is very, very India friendly, I would say, especially for our summers. And the back has this really fun detailing. Now they've got loads and loads of graphic print now. For example, you have this t-shirt that has various modes of transportation. You've got, if you look closely, you can see bikes, trucks, bullock carts, autos, lorries. Really, really fun and a nice representation of India. And then, if embellishments are what you like, check this out. This is super fun, inspired by different Indian gods. If you like something a little bit more happy, then you've got this option as well. And over here we have some more popular designers, so we're going to take a quick look. This is one of my favorites by Malini Ramani. It's a really fun halter dress, and don't ask me why, but I love red. I love the whole two-tone idea and the hemline of the dress. The best part is you don't have to do much with it because you've got the mirror work detailing along the neckline, and then you've got the little tie-up. So just this and a pair of stilettos or even a pair of gladiators and you're good to go. Then over here we've got another popular name, Manish Arora. So we've got this really fun digital print. It has Manish Arora written all over it. It's quite funky. It's sort of fantasy fiction-esque. All these creatures, flying dolphins. Love it, love it, love it. And if you like more fun stuff by Manish Arora, you've got the entire Milky Way. You can wear it for a night out under the night sky. Get it, get it. And there are some more interesting options for a night out. For example, this really fun purple top. Just check this out. Super fun. You don't have to do much with it. In fact, I would advise that you don't do too much with it because there's already a lot happening. Now this is Moth by Amit Agarwal. But the top that really, really caught my eye is this one. Let me show you. This is a super special piece by Moth. I really love the tape detailing around the neckline. You have to take a closer look. Really, really interesting and very, very popular. I think my favorite piece so far. And you've got the same thing in white with the tape detailing on the shoulders.